Hi, this is Bhuvan Unhelkar, your tutor for the new technology alignment subject. I hope you are having good time in this subject. It is module 2, week 4, and the fact that you are listening to this little 5-minute video clip proves that you are still continuing your journey in new technology alignment. In these few minutes, I want to explain two things to you that will make your journey even more enjoyable. Firstly, what is module 2 leading into? And secondly, a bit of a chat on assignment 1. Module 2 is made up of three parts. So, in week 4, which is this week, we are discussing business process management. And the reason why we need to discuss process management as a part of this subject is because processes are at the core of, at the heart of aligning technologies with business. By now, you will have discussed some of the emerging technologies like cloud computing and mobile technologies and IPv6, and all your discussion forums will be full of these technologies that are of interest to you, that seem to be having a substantial impact on businesses. But unless you align these technologies to businesses, they don't provide the value, they don't provide the business outcomes. And in this subject, we are concerned with business outcomes by making use of technology. So, BPM, business process management, BPM, business process modeling, business process improvement. Those are some of the things we discuss in week 4. The next week, which is week 5, in the same module, we are going into governance and governance standards. There are only two major governance standards right now that I know of and that are popular. One is ITIL and the other is COBIT. You will find ITIL is more prominent in private sector, in large business organizations like banks, insurance companies, airlines, even hospitals to some extent. Uh, you will find COBIT is slightly more prominent in government sectors, or uh, more on the public sector side. So those are the two standards that can help us bring in new technologies in the organization, investigate, balance the risk, and then implement those technologies in the organization. So we'll study a bit of ITIL and COBIT. We will also study a little bit about infrastructures in IT. You will find papers there that take you to the comparison between ITIL, COBIT, and so on. Again, keep in mind that you're not studying technologies per se, but you are studying these technologies and a mechanism of aligning them to business. The third module, which is, beg your pardon, the third section, which is week 6 in this module, is dealing with the very important topic of innovation. I have myself written a couple of papers in this area. I have studied innovation. It's a vast field, but I'm going to encourage you to go through the seminar on innovation and see where and how you find innovation being applied to your organizations, or the organizations that you have taken up as your sample organizations in this study. So you will be studying these three topics, if you like, in week 4, 5, and 6, and they make up the second module of this course. In terms of the assignment, and sometimes assignments can be confusing, or if you are just starting with a distance education program, they can also be daunting. So my goal is to make you feel comfortable with them. Uh, Throughout this module, when you go through week 4 and week 5 and week 6, you are evolving your assignment. and in the first assignment you will have finalized a topic. More often than not, I say yes to any topic that is of interest to you, provided it is not something totally bizarre or out of scope for this subject. um, I might pass a comment on, say, one topic might be of more interest to the general people going through technology investigations, to some of your fellow students and to me, but that doesn't mean that has to be the topic. We can fine tune, finalize the topic, but please ensure that in week 4 you have posted a topic heading and a topic outline, and I have asked you to put a few sentences towards the abstract for the topic. In the next week 5 you complete the outline. In week 6, by the time week 6 is finishing, your fellow students will have passed comments. Fellow students will have asked you questions, will have provided you with some valuable links, and that way you will have good material for assignment 1. So once all the discussion forums on assignment 1 are complete, which will be around week 6, you can go away, take some time, which is just a few hours or maybe a day, and polish off your assignment and then post it in a link that is for assignment 1. That will complete module 2, and keep working at it. Sometimes too much of material may make you feel, oh my god, how am I going to go through all of it? I have built this course with the help of Bob Godfrey earlier on, and we have added a lot of valuable material, and we continue to add and drop almost every iteration of this subject. So you don't have to go through all links, you don't have to read all PDFs that are available, but read selectively. That develops your understanding. And it's a very crucial time. If you go through this module, if you go through weeks 4, 5, 6, I can almost guarantee you will reach week 12 within no time. Good luck, and chat with you again at module 3. Take care. Bye.